we've made the tutorial about how to create the neon effect in a click. You can click on the upper corner to watch the tutorial. And in this new tutorial about how to make the neon text effect, we'll focus on the light of the neon sign. We'll bring you 2 videos to show you everything you need to know for making this sort of neon effect in VideoProc Vlogger. If you're into this, keep watching. First, let's open VideoProc Vlogger. Add a background picture that looks spacious. In my case, I use the picture of the wood board. Let's drag and drop the background picture to the video track. Fit it to the screen size. And then we scale the timeline to the proper size. To build a more noticeable neon effect, we need to color grade the background clip. Open the color and filter editor. The key point is bringing down the exposure and the saturation. As for the other parameters, we can make changes based on the background clip we use. Our target is building a sense of dark. Hit apply to get back to the main interface. Let's make the text. Move the playhead to the place that doesn't hold any footage. Here's the titles located on the upper left. Select a title preset. Drag and drop it onto the subtitle track. Then we hit Edit Text under the inspector panel to open a text editor. Enter the letters we need. Select the proper font. Below, we have options to resize and reposition the text. Add a little bit of space to create some space between the letters. In the text editor section, we can adjust the text color. It's better to select a fluorescent color. For example, cyan, Olivine, and purple. After that, we hit Apply to go back to the main interface. Hit this button to take a snapshot of the current picture. The video editor now pops up the folder that stores the saved snapshot image. Drag it onto VideoProc Vlogger. Add it to the overlay track. And then we scale it to the proper size. Now let's find the blend mode section. Select Lighten. That's all for making the plain text. Next, let's add some extra elements. The neon in reality has some glow around it. Let's make that neon glow effect. Drag the playhead to where the text clip below starts to appear. Get back to the title editor. Adjust its color. Drag these points around on the color wheel to get a color close to white. Then we get back to the main interface. Take a snapshot again and add it to VideoProc Vlogger. Then add a new overlay track. Left-click the mouse and hold. Drag the overlay track upward to make it appear in between the video track and the overlay track. Add the new snapshot image to this new track. Scale to make it the same size as the clip on the overlay track. Then let's find the image blurring and smoothing. Enable image denoising. Bring the values of these parameters to the maximum. Then we go to the blend mode section, select screen. That can create a glow neon effect for the text. Well, this is all for today's tutorial. In the next video, we'll learn how to make the background for a neon sign. so stay tuned. If you want to know more editing tricks or what has been going on with VideoProc Vlogger, be sure to click the subscribe button to subscribe. See you in our next editing tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye!